Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra Pro in WordPress. First, ensure you have both the free Astra theme and the Astra Pro plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance and click on Astra Options. Here, you'll find a list of Pro modules. Activate the ones you need to unlock advanced customization features for your website's design and layout. With Astra Pro, you gain extensive control over your site's layout. Head to the customizer under Appearance, then navigate to Global or Header Builder. You can modify container widths, sidebar positions, and even create custom headers and footers using the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Experiment with different elements like buttons, social icons, and HTML to achieve your desired look. Astra Pro offers powerful typography and color options. Within the customizer, find the typography and colors and background sections. You can choose from hundreds of Google fonts, set custom font sizes for different devices, and define a global color palette. This ensures your brand identity remains consistent throughout your site, enhancing both aesthetics and user experience. For e-commerce sites, Astra Pro integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce, providing dedicated modules to customize product archives, single product pages, and checkout flows. You can create a truly unique shopping experience for your customers. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. These features help you build a professional and high-converting online store.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.